Shout out to Shapur, who gave me the idea for today's video. He's lost his two-factor authentication, 2FA access to his site. And so in this video, I'm going to show him and you how to get around that. Brought to you by MySites.Guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to MySites.Guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 306 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just get you out of a spot like Shapur, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. Here's the dilemma that Shapur is in and that you might end up in someday. Yes, two-factor authentication setup. Now, what is two-factor authentication? That requires something else other than you knowing your username to get into your website. You need to know something and have something. So it might be your phone, a code sent to your phone, or a code you've printed up, or something like this, a YubiKey that you put in a USB. You prove, hey, here's the second thing that shows that I am who I am. And so what happens is, if you don't have that, you can get in through the first stage here. Watch. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to log in to here, and it's going to ask me for my verification code. Or I can select a different method. Look, I also have a YubiKey, or maybe some codes printed up somewhere. But if you don't have any of those, you're totally stuck to get into your site. Now, the fix I'm going to show you, you have to have access to the database. So if you're watching this video and you're a user, this is not going to help you. You have to contact the owner of the website so that they can reset it. But if you're locked out of your site, here's what you want to do. Go into the web hosting control panel. My business and my clients, they have cPanel hosting. And what you're going to do is go to the database of your Joomla site. If you don't know which one it is, if you have multiple, look in the global configuration.php file, because obviously you can't log into your site to find it in the global configuration area. All right, go down to your database area. Look for a little tool called PHPMyAdmin, or whatever's offered to you to go onto the database. Click on there, and then go to the database for your site. This one is Joom 423. Now you're going to filter for a table here, user MFA. Now if that doesn't show up, pay attention to the page numbering up here. It might be on the second pagination or page of tables that are there. Once you find your user underscore MFA table, go to browse, and once in there, you'll see a list of all the users and the information for the different two-factor authentication codes that they are using. Now, 785 is the user ID here, and so is 786. What you want to do is delete all of the rows for your user ID. If you don't know how to find that, simply go back into your database and filter for user and look for the users table. When you go in there and browse, we're going to fix the one here with the username J5Core CyberSalt. 785 is the ID. All right, we'll go back to the table here. We'll go MFA. Here's like this, and we're going to select each row that has something for the user ID 785. Nope, not 786. That's the other count. We'll select those three, and we're just going to go ahead and delete. You can also delete these one at a time as you see them, but we'll delete all of them. Yes. And now when we go to try and log in again, we go, put in the username, password, log in, and we can get in. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.